Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this look. It is a purple glitter, full glam, full details. If you want to see this look, stay tuned. To start off, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate because I have a lighter wig on. So I usually would use ebony for my dark hair, but when I have a lighter hair, I'm gonna use a lighter shade so it won't look too dark on my eyebrows. Using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, I'm going to outline my eyebrows. It is definitely time for me to go ahead and get my eyebrows threaded, so please comment below your favorite brow technicians in Michigan. I'm all over. I've been living in 3 different cities all summer, so I will go anywhere in Michigan to get my eyebrows threaded. I will even go to Chicago if they're worth it, okay? Please comment below. I need a good eyebrow technician. I do not have one. My mom is awesome. However, I can't get my eyebrows waxed, so when she does them, I can only get them razored, and that only lasts for me like 5 days, and then they start growing back. So I need someone that can thread because that usually lasts at least 2 weeks for me. So please comment below. So we're going to use the Zulu by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use the purple to start. Using the same palette, I'm going to use the pink shade and I'm going to blend that on top of the purple. Using my Morphe brush, I'm going to blend the purple and pink together without putting any makeup on the brush. Using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to add that to my crease so I can add my glitter next. I bought this set of glitter eyeshadows from NBA Cosmetics, and I also bought this magnetic case so I can just put these on here and they stick and they don't fall off. I'm going to use this shade here. I don't know the name of it, but this is the shade I am going to use. Using the purple, I'm going to add some more to the outer corner of my eye, just to make that more prominent. Prior to applying any of my makeup, I use my Neutrogena Face Moisturizer SPF 15 because it is the summer, and I even wear SPF in the winter because the rays still shine in the winter. It just doesn't seem like it, but you can still get the same sun damage in the winter as you can in the summer. I am going to go in with my photo finish by Smashbox. This is a primer, and my hands are too dirty for me to use, so I'm going to use my MAC brush in 190 to apply my primer today. So I usually don't use this, but I'm going to use my Fenty Pro Filter, and this is the shade 390. I was just checking to see if it was too dark. I applied it right here, and here is without, so you can see that it is a little darker. So I think I'm going to use this and then add a little bit of the Pro Filter in the shade 360 to balance it out. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is the shade Tan to highlight. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. I'm going to use this to contour. Now using my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Translucent, I'm going to set my highlight, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my purple under my waterline. And this will help, so when the purple falls down, it won't ruin my makeup because I can just wipe this powder right off. So now using my Morphe contouring palette, I'm going to use this shade here to set my Truffle matchstick. Now I'm going to blend this all in together. I'm debating whether I want to put eyeliner on or just put like a bold eyelash. I'm not sure. However, I'm going to go in with my bronzer and I'm going to bronze up this look some. I'm using one of my very old MAC blushes. This is the shade Fleur, I believe, and using my blush brush to apply that to the cheeks, the apples of my cheeks. And using my Mario Bidet Scoop Facial Spray to blend my makeup in. I'm going to actually blend in that blush a bit. Today I'm going to use my NYX Matte Finishing Setting Spray. And the reason why I use the matte is because my glitter on my eyes is a lot, so I don't think I need it to be a glowy, dewy look. I'd rather have it to be a matte look. I typically like to apply my highlighter after I apply my setting spray, so it'll close in that highlight and make it last longer. I'm going to use my Timeless Beauty palette. This is the City color. And I'm going to use, I think I'll use this highlight here to highlight under my eyebrows. And the corner of my eye, of course. I'm also going to touch my nose a dab with this. And of course, I'm going to hit my cheekbones. And you know, I always have to blend. I don't like harsh lines. Using my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the shade Black is Black, I'm going to apply that to my eyelashes. I think this is the Claremont Twins. So I want to show you guys how your eyelashes look prior to curling them with the eyelash curler. So this is before and now after. Okay, don't be afraid of the eyelash curler. It does wonders. Using the Viva Glam 2, I'm also going to use my NYX because this is a little light for me right now. Maybe in the winter it'd be better, but looks better. Of course, going in with my Too Faced, I'm going to use this for my lip gloss. And this is the trick I use so I don't get lip gloss on my teeth. This is from Victoria's Secret. This has been my summer secret. I just apply this. It's called Crush Shimmer Spray. And this is the Glitter Lust. Now I just spray this on my body. I just glow, glow, glow. Final look, ladies and gentlemen. I did a purple glitter look, full glam detailed. I'm so excited this summer. I have so much great content for you all. Some deep stuff we're going to talk about. And I make sure you like and subscribe this video so you can stay up to date, and click the little bell so you can know every time I post a video. You'll get an alert on your phone or your computer, wherever you get notifications. So thanks for tuning in. Love ya. Bye.